In this video, I am going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create an AutoLISP code for AutoCAD. This is helpful for automating tasks and saving time in your drafting process. No need to be a coding expert. Let AI help you. Let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT and make sure you're logged into your account. Using the latest version like GPT-4 will give you better results. Then, type "Create an AutoLISP code for AutoCAD" in the message box. This tells ChatGPT to prepare a script for AutoCAD automation. Next, type what you want the AutoLISP code to do. For this video, I'll use 1. User select objects. 2. Those objects change to color red. Be specific so the script works exactly as you need. After that, copy the code generated by ChatGPT and open Notepad on your computer. This is where you'll save the code as a usable file. Finally, paste the code into Notepad and save the file with a .lsp extension. This is very important. Now you're ready to load and use that file in AutoCAD. And that's how you create AutoLISP code for AutoCAD using ChatGPT. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tech tutorials.
See you next time!